Good afternoon, everyone. I am Xiang Huaquan. Our co-task today is to present the saving app that bridges this gap. We will first analyze the root causes of saving difficulties for 12 to 25-year-olds through real user personas. Then we will uncap how the app integrates features tailored to this group. Gamify saving tasks, real-time expense tracking on the mobile interface, flexible supervision options and small rewards for consistent saving. We will also reference successful young-focused money management designed to highlight the app's participation. Later, we will demonstrate the app prototype showing its home screen, goal setting page, and expense tracker, share insights from user tests, and present the implementation timeline via a Gantt chart to prove how this mobile tool turns value-saving intentions into correct daily habits for young people. Now, let me invite Wang to start with the problem analysis.
Now we are talking about a problem statement. Teenagers today facing growing pressure from school, social life, and the digital world. Many struggles to balance their studies, friendship, and personal well-being. Although they are active online, they often feel lonely, misunderstand, or anxiety about meeting expectation from parents, teachers, and friends. Parent support systems in schools and online do not fully meet their real emotional and development needed, creating a gap between what adults think they need and what they truly experience. Then, to understand their problem, we need to see the world through teenagers' eyes, their daily life, feelings, and goals. They want freedom, friendship, and ways to express themselves, but often link safe and supportive spaces. By hearing their voice and seeing their struggles, we can create solutions that truly help them grow and stay healthy. The final question I created is: how may we design an engaging money management program that helps low-income teenagers gain real budgeting confidence? That's all my part.
Hi, my name is Chai. Today I'm going to present user persona and the proposed solution. First of all, I will start with my persona. Let me introduce you to Colin. Colin is 15, works part time in Tasmania. Like many teens, he dreams of being financially independent, but most of his paycheck goes straight to gaming. He knows he should save, but finds budgeting apps boring and loses motivation quickly. Colin enjoy challenge-based games and respond really well to strict and reward. So what Colin really needs isn't another spreadsheet style budgeting tool. He needs something interactive and rewarding. Something that makes saving feel a little fun, as engaging as the game he really loves. And I will move on to the proposed solution now regarding the gamified budgeting apps. That's where MoneyQuest comes in. MoneyQuest is a gamified budgeting app designed to make saving both fun and rewarding. Users complete weekly mission like saving a small amount of or tracking expenses. They earn strict rewards which build motivation to stay consistent because no one wants to break their winning streak. Then come the real world rewards badges, vouchers, and recognition, reinforcing good saving habits and celebrating progress. Finally, through financial lesson aligned with ASICS framework, teens learn real money skill as they play. MoneyQuest doesn't just teach teenager budgeting, it builds lifelong saving confidence throughout the gameplay.
Idea. Our ideal money crest is supported by 3 points: desirability, viability, and fashionability. First is desirability, because the teams don't want boring morning apps. They want something fast and easy to use. With the weekly missions, serving tax, and the small reward, morning quests make serving morning feel more like a game, not a tax. Second is variable, because it finds with access financial education groups, weekend work, and school and young groups to help more students learn how to serve. Partnerships with local brewery can also make apps more a right thing to help its loss a large. Third is feasible, because we can build to using accepting fintech tools with mean is realize low cost and can group easily on different performance. Brave Morning Quest also supports the social and educate groups on the CSRs the morning to help the young people learn about money early and supports the UN groups to better the education and the economic growth. Finally, the LP preparations and apps launch and facing users to give the real virus learning in the laws realm. Our vision is help young Australia becomes confident and responsible, and money because financial confidence serving early. Thank you.
I'm G, and now we'll talk about the prototype, the testing part of our project. As you can see here is a Gamified Financial Literacy home screen app with budgeting features for everyone to use, especially for the youngster. And as you can see here is the functions and the features of the app is pretty straightforward, and it is easy to use for everyone. Now we talk about testing. As you can see here is our test part, which contains 4 main criteria. The first one is the hypothesis, which will talk about how we think, especially the youngster, in terms of financial literacy. And the second one is testing, who we're gonna test the app to, and which we will conduct a test with around 10 to 15 participants, aged around 13 to 25. And the third one is the measurement, that how we're gonna test the app, which requirements we're gonna ask the user to perform. And the last one is the criteria, which will receive feedback, and we believe the app is successful if at least 80% of users can complete the requirements without any difficulties. And the average tag completion time was about 3.5 minutes, a high user satisfaction rating. This indicates the app is very easy to use and is also very useful as well.
Now that we have tested our idea and prototype, this kind of chat shows how good the Shepherd can bring our gamified budgeting app to the life in the next 6 months. In month 1, we will talk to more teenagers to understand their saving habits and improve our app concept based on what they see. In month 2, we will make the prototype better, updating the design and adding fun weekly missions and strict rewards to keep users interested. In month 3 and 4, we will start building the real app. This includes these main parts like budget tracking, progress bars, and reward systems. Then we will test it inside the team. In month 5, we will do the plight testing with about 15 to 20 teenagers. We will collect their feedback and see how easy and fun the app is to use, then make improvements. Finally, in month 6, we will launch the app to the public. We will promote it on social media and check how well it performs after the release. This plan makes sure our app is good designed, practical, and can create a real positive impact.